how to connect AirPods to Samsung. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your AirPods to your Samsung. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Over here, you can use the Bluetooth quick shortcut icon or go to the settings menu. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and your phone will start searching for devices to connect to. Then put your AirPods into Bluetooth pairing mode. Over here, open the AirPods case and long press the button on the case until the light starts blinking. This means the AirPods are now in pairing mode. Next, go back to your phone. Over here, you should see your AirPods in the list of available devices. Tap on the AirPods and when it asks you to pair, tap on pair. After that, your AirPods will be connected and you can start listening to media on your Samsung. So that's how you can connect your AirPods to Samsung. That's all for this video.